Bharti. How are you?
I'm good. What's up?
All good. So good to see you after a very, very long.
But I hate the fact that I can't hug you, and we have to sit so far.
That's completely fine. The only thing I'm happy about that we are without masks and we can still talk the way we talk.
Yeah. And I can see you, irrespective of wherever you're traveling at the moment. You're in Bombay, you're in Surat.
Yeah. So tell me, first of all, thank you so much for being on the show. I think you're shooting for, that's what I've heard, I've known from you, that you've said to no to a lot of things and to a lot of people, but you've started the shooting spree with this show, the DC show. So
see, I wanted to, the first reason why I started was I wanted to get back to work. Secondly, I wanted to get back to work initially with the trusted people, like जिनको मैं जानती हूँ कि ये लोग precautions तो लेंगे, you know, because I'm not sure many people understand the importance of taking enough precautions. लेते सब हैं, लेकिन वो enough वाला पता नहीं कौन लेता है. So I understand me and you, we have to remove a mask, but at least the cast and crew, the rest of the crew has to wear a mask. I think they will have to do that.
So we are talking about voicing your opinion and things on that. Right. So बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जब आप अपनी बात रखते हैं in front of social media, in front of your fans for a lot of good deal and goodwill for that matter. So what really happens is, जैसे you spoke about the casting couch thing. So that really got a lot of people, you know, that got a lot of attention and eyeballs, and that got you a goodwill from people that, you know, you finally, somebody is there who's taking a stand, like someone really known has spoken about it. So इसका repercussions क्या होता है? मतलब, do you get any kind of threat calls or any kind of, like, the way there's a support squad, there must be a squad that is there to hate you on social media or something.
Wood. I think I want to touch all the wood here. I've been on a very positive note with respect to my squads or with respect to my fans or followers or well wishers. I've never got any threat call. ये एक ही ऐसा था जो आया and मुझे लगा ये एक भी नहीं चलना चाहिए. He shouldn't get away with something like this, you know. And जिन लोगों को लगता है कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है जहाँ पे कास्टिंग काउच है, so I must tell them sorry, you're wrong here. Our industry is very nice. Our industry is full of hardworking people. An industry which has given chances to new people. So we have a lot of issues just raised because सब लोगों को वो issue लगता है. But honestly, if you come on this side of the table, this industry is very beautiful. ऐसे लोग होते हैं. There are directors I know जो परेशान करते हैं लोगों को with respect to saying कि हाँ मैं आपको फिल्म दे दूँगा, आप बस मुझे अपना ऑडिशन भेज दीजिए और आप मुझे अपने मेरे घर पे मिलने आए. I don't work with such people because I feel if I had a stand during India's Next Top Model of not wearing a bikini, I hear when I'm in this industry, I think we should take a stand of saying no to bullshit, saying no to such drama, you know. आना है तो टैलेंट के बेस पे आओ, वरना मत आओ इस इंडस्ट्री में. So I really think this industry is very beautiful, and if there's something wrong, I'm going to raise a voice because this is my playground, and I know how to play.
And you play the game.
And I play the game. This is my place. This is my home, and I don't like anybody throwing shit or making it dirty. I hate it.
So how basically, what really happens when you go through this shit? Of course, there's everyone supporting you, but the mental trauma, it's not easy as
it's heartbreaking, Deepali, you know, like मुझे काम करना है, मुझे अच्छा काम करना है, and I want to work hard to achieve my goals, my family's goal. और उसमें अगर ये condition आ जाती है कि आपको role मिलेगा, अगर you know you do so and so thing, या तो अगर you compromise, why should I compromise? When I know I deserve the best without any compromise. So why should I compromise on work? And there are times फिल्म मिलती भी है ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं मिलती है, बट देन अपनी कंपटीशन ख़त्म हो जाती है वहाँ पे. एटलीस्ट आई नो दैट मुझे जितनी भी फिल्म्स मिली मेरे टैलेंट पे मिली, एंड आई फील आई हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट ऑफ माई इंडस्ट्री, माई फैमिली, दैट आई कैन रेज अ वॉइस.
करेक्ट. So when you're talking about you've gotten 11 films and you've done it well and you've given your 100%, but which were the films that you actually wanted to do and it was done by someone else and you're like, yeah, I wanted this role?
I didn't know, honestly. कि ऑडिशंस कहाँ होते थे मुझे पता ही नहीं था बिकॉज मेरा नेटवर्क ही नहीं था. इवन आफ्टर 11 films I'm telling you, I don't know many people. So when they come to me, I see the film and I accept the film. But if I had to select a film, I think Helara was really good. Wrong Side Raju was very good. Beyar was really really good. હજી પણ મને એવું જ છે કે if I had a chance, I would have told Abhishek that I want to do Beyar. So those were really nice films. But I think our industry is growing, so I can only expect some good films now from now on.
Okay, so coming back to the next question. So you have been an actor, you are a celebrity host, also you are an influencer. These three roles, like you wear the crown of these three roles.
Yes.
Which one do you like the best?
I think actor. But also I love stage. So recently I did this drama, Bollywood Masala, and I realized theatre तो एक अलग ही मज़ा है. It is a different genre altogether. And you know what is the best part of theatre? Director जो भी बोले, on the stage it is you as an actor who's going to perform. I think it is your floor. And you're the boss and you can do whatever you want. And it is so much fun. It is so much fun.
All right, so this is one more interesting question that I've never asked you even after being a journalist. When Bhakti Kubawat signs a film, what are the 5 things that she looks into it before signing the film?
Money, of course.
No, what shouldn't be there?
What shouldn't be there?
Money, of course, that's like 1 to 5 money.
First is money. I totally agree. First of all, being a Gujarati, I feel wearing a bikini is a big no. Secondly, second would be there are times when producers when जो पैसा डालते हैं वो बोलते हैं मेरे बेटे को ले लो या तो मेरे चाचा के लड़के को ले लो मेरे भतीजे को ले लो. So that's a big no.
There are 5. You told me 2.
5. Wow. Otherwise I'm not very demanding. मुझे हाँ एक छाता चाहिए होता है क्योंकि धूप होता है तो वो अगर नहीं होता है तो I need a spot boy because there are so many things a person has to manage. अगर वो नहीं होता है तो and basically a good script अच्छी script नहीं होगी આ ચાલી જશે એક તો એ જે ચાલી જશે છે ને આપણે કરી લેશું એવું મેન્ટાલિટી હશે ને તો ઇટ્સ અ બિગ નો. સો આઈ થિંક આઈ વોન્ટ પીપલ ટુ બી પ્રિપેર્ડ. आई वॉन्ट माई स्क्रिप्ट टू बी द हीरो. आई डोंट डिमांड कि मुझे यही वाला एक्टर चाहिए मैं इसी के साथ काम करूँगी. आई एम यू नो दैट आई एम द ओनली पर्सन हुज एक्सपेरिमेंटेड विथ फिल्म सो मच. सो या अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट અને ચાલી જશે વાળું એ એટીટ્યુડ ગો નાઉ. યા હવે ગુજરાતી જ ફિલ્મ છે ને નો વી આર એટ પાર વિથ સો મેની પ્રોડક્ટ્સ કોન્ટેન્ટ ઓન નેટફ્લિક્સ એમેઝોન હિન્દી ઇંગ્લિશ ફિલ્મ. So we have to pull up our socks.
Correct. So you must have watched a lot of web series during this time. So for once, did you really think that you should come up with a web series because this is the time you should actually go ahead and do
I want to write, I want to direct, I want to do everything.
Why do you want to don so many hats?
Because I really think I can do a better job than certain directors. Not being snobbish about this, but yeah, I really feel at times, you know, when you have so many ideas, I think you should just give it a try.
What do you think about the existing whatever award functions that we have? What do you think about it? Do you really think we should have any award ceremonies that ways, or we are good with the national award and we should be fine?
I think we should have a celebration, but not an award ceremony. I think my award would be in appreciation from my fans. I think that is my award for me. However, you want a ceremony where there's a dance performance, you know, there is a gala night, everybody's celebrating, cheering, but no awards. I don't believe in it and I'm not going to buy one. So yeah.
So you've done a lot of films, but wo ek film out of the 11 films that you've done that you regret doing? Like ये क्यों की? मतलब आज तक उसके लिए sleepless nights हो सकती है.
You know it.
No, but then no, let's not.
So I all this while I used to regret कि मैंने ये क्यों किया, ये क्यों नहीं किया, you know, why, you know, and I thought, you know what, why not take the positive out of it and see that, you know, it was a learning experience. It taught me to read the script twice before, you know, saying yes. It taught me to work with only good directors. It taught me to work very professionally. So I think I don't regret, but yes, एक दो films तो है ही. You can actually see certain films जो तुम्हें लगेगा कि हाँ ये भक्ति ने regret तो किया ही होगा, but it's fine I think.
Correct. I read one article which talked that how romantic scenes cannot be cheated all the time. So what really do you do? And what do you mean by that? How many times have you cheated in a romantic scene?
All cheated as in like not done it, but yeah.
Showed it like that.
Oh my God, for me I think सबके लिए एक difficult वाला part होता है. मेरे लिए ना वो romantic scene करना होता है. I remember one with Parth and I remember it was 11th retake, okay. While we were rehearsing, उस time से हम लोग हंस रहे थे. जो take तक आई और जब हम shooting कर रहे थे तब तक वो हंसी छूट ही नहीं रही थी. So एक point ऐसा आया था where Parth is here and I've just turned my face and then Parth was telling me was like भक्ति यार હવે હસાઈ જશે ને તો હવે મરી ગયા આપણે director કાઢી મૂકશે આમ તેમ. So we were just talking and we are laughing, then I control my laughter and then I come back and then I sit like this. I could not do anything else because वो मेरा laughter छूट ही नहीं रहा था उस दिन पे. But I cheat. I like to cheat my romantic scenes and kissing scenes than actually doing it.
You were the only actor working with the two RJs of the city. So how was it basically? I mean, did you feel somewhere that what is this, a pleasant coincidence or what?
I would like to call it a coincidence because both of them had judged me when I was appearing for contest. So in Clean and Clear Fresh Face जो था उसका finale Dhwanit had judged and Kunal had judged one of the events, I think Mirchi Campus Princess or something like that. They both had crowned me the princess and after a few years when you're working with them it's an achievement that oh आप कहाँ से कहाँ आ गए हो. So and I really feel it's important to work with new people for just having a balanced industry. I can't be choosing actors. I mean that's wrong. That's a director's job.
Correct. Talking about the directors and talking about gelling up well and you gel up really well with all the actors and the whole team of the film.
Yeah.
I want to know your chemistry that happens with the directors. How are you with directors?
Directors के साथ
Specific directors?
So I loved working with Kunal sir. We did Pela Adi Akshar. I was really hoping that film would do amazing because we really had a great time with respect to professionalism. We had team from Bombay, we had team तब तो stylist कौन था वो भी नहीं पता था. तब stylist था, we had Band Baja Bharat की जो stylist थी, we had that. The production was really good and as a director also he was very good कि भक्ति मुझे इतना ही चाहिए, मुझे 5 takes नहीं चाहिए because I've got what I wanted in the first take. So that way also he was very chill and he would make us feel comfortable. So I had a great time.
But which are the directors you actually want to work with from the industry?
I think many are. Abhishek Jain is there, Abhishek Shah is there. Then we have Vijay Giri Baba because I've also done so many ads with him, so I would want to work with him. Sandeep Bhai is there, Aru's dad. I think his way of directing is really nice, so I would want to work with him as well. So there's so many amazing directors, but I'm not specific at the moment about directors. I'm specific that I want to work with Paresh Rawal ji. So that is something I really pray that someday it happens. But other than that, I'm open to work with all the directors who would want to work with me.
Correct. Are you sure you want to work with all the directors in Gujarat?
Half of them.
Let's get the truth right.
half of them, yeah, I think. I'll make sure you sit with me when we select one. Because even you know many directors now. Not all, but except one or two that you know who.
We're talking a lot of code language here, guys. She knows, I know, you know, that's it.
But you shouldn't know.
All right. Also, something about your Bollywood debut. We have to speak about this at length.
Oh my God.
How are you looking forward to everything related?
So 2 days back, I got a call from a director saying, "Bhakti, हमारी film release हो रही है." See, I was sad and I was happy as well. Happy that it's releasing. Sad because अगर अभी release हो रही है तो फिर वो cinema में release नहीं होगी. It is going to be on any of the OTTs. But I'm at least happy कि चलो at least people are going to watch it, so it's fine. And yeah, it's releasing. I am really happy. You wouldn't believe we shot the entire film in 10 to 12 days.
Oh my God, that's some number.
Yeah. So the team was so well prepared, and that's when I feel we have to really work hard.
So, talked about your Bollywood debut and a lot of other things about the industry. Which are the upcoming films that you're working on?
Gujarati.
Yes.
So there are two films, Tagardhina, and there's another film called Mane Lai Ja.
Correct. So what kind of scripts and what kind of roles that you're looking forward to?
A script which connects to the Gujarati audience. I don't want कि वो हिंदी या मराठी या फिर पंजाबी script की remake हो, because it is not our culture. I would want to work on biopics or on those films which talk about our Gujarati culture, like in 90s or in 80s, you know. So during those times, or probably वो महाराजा वाला जब time था, so I would want to really work on those scripts.
Tell us more about the upcoming films and the cast and the team that you're going to work with.
So we already shot Tagardhina. I worked with Mayur Chauhan and Maitrik, and we really had a good time. Especially me and Mayur, we were also those PUBG lovers. So जब भी break होता, we would play PUBG. So बहुत ही मस्ती होती थी on the set, and it was an amazing, fun shoot that I would call.
Okay, so tell us something about the storyline. Like, do you think that will work out well on box office?
It's a story about this couple who are together, and as soon as कुछ होता है उसमें, और उसके बाद there is this another girl who comes in his life. So I am the another girl, and उसके बाद क्या problems होती है. So I can't say more about it, but everybody has done a fab job.
Okay, all right. Something about this location.
I think I remember there was one of the shows I had done, and they had invited me to Boho Homes. And when I saw this place, I'm like, wow, is this in Ahmedabad? Because I'm a die-hard fan of Boho culture. I'm a die-hard fan of Boho interiors. You know, I love vintage. I love vintage tables and the vintage feel when it comes to homes. You know, so I really know one thing for sure, that whenever I'll have my own home, when I'm going to make my own home, I'm sure I know which pieces I'm going to take from this place. It's a very beautiful place.
So this is the next segment, Bhakti, wherein this is called Sach Bol. Sach Bol in the sense?
Sach Bol, yeah, Sach Bol.
Dono. Pun intended. So there are 5 questions. You can answer 3 or you can pick up all 5. But you have to answer them sachi.
But is this made for me or is it general for everybody?
It's made for you.
Oh God.
It's exclusive.
It's exclusive. Dipali, you already know so many secrets of mine.
There you go. Read it loud.
Okay. Have you ever lied about your age? No, I haven't.
All right.
I think I love aging gracefully. So I will keep white hair when I have white hair, you know. So I'm gonna
Those are experience.
Those are experience, yes. A rumor about you which is exactly true. Oh yeah, there was a rumor saying that I'm very demanding because I demand for a chair and chhata.
Oh.
जब हमारा short नहीं होता है तब. Or else nariyal pani. That's something I demand. Okay. So fruits are something which I demand, and if that's a rumor, it's true. Who would you want to take on a date from the industry? Why just one? Yeah.
No, one is better. Then it will not be a date, then it will be a party.
Yeah, I mean, I would want that. But if I have to take one person on a date, I think Parth or Ronak would be fine. I'm very comfortable with both of them. Or even Malhar is fine. Okay. By the way, Freddy is also very good. Who do you think has the best PR in the industry? I think Aisha. Isha's doing really good, like with the ads, and she's everywhere. So I think she's got good team.
Correct.
Okay. Have you ever overquoted your fees to get out of the project? Yes, I did that. I was just trying to be nice to the production house and team
Okay.
by not saying that it's a bad script, but by saying, oh, I charged this much.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Bhakti, for
Thank
being
you,
here on the
Deepali.
show. And thank you so much for starting your work, resuming back to work with this.
I wanted to start with the bang.
I am glad. I am glad. Thank you so much.
Hugs, virtual. Not virtual, but imaginary.
Distant hugs. Yes,
Distant
why
hugs.
not? Why not?
Hi, my name is Bhakti Kubawat and you're watching me on the DC show. If you've loved this video, please like, share and subscribe.